Hey guys, welcome back to the dollhouse. For those of us that want to stay coronavirus safe and don't feel really comfortable going to nail shops, especially this coming up winter, because you won't be able to distinguish who has the flu and who has corona, these nails and this new nail glue changes the game. This glue comes in a box of 3. It is $7.99 on Amazon, and when I tell you this glue is the bomb glue, no chaser, it is the bomb. You use it just like you would use a normal nail glue. You paste it on the inside of the nail, and then you press firmly and hold the pressure for a few seconds, and you are done. I have washed dishes with these nails on. I have washed my hair. I've taken a shower. No looseness at all. They work amazing, guys. I'm so impressed. The nails were $7.16, I believe, but the price will be coming up on the video soon. And the glue was $7.99. So both products under $10. You can't beat it. The color was amazing. It's like a translucent with a mirror effect. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please thumbs up the video, like, share, and subscribe.
Come holler at me. It's y'all. I don't know what to say because my lip popping. And goodbye. Period. I mean it.